guys, today we will be unboxing this KFC from 1985. Okay, so this is KFC wipes from 1985, and today we will be unboxing it. So please remember to drop a like and subscribe. Alright. Can take a screenshot of the logo right now. Can take a screenshot of it right now. Alright, now we're unboxing. So old. We have unboxed it. Smells kind of nice. This is nice. Yellowish. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Cute. It's kind of cute. That's the end of today's video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Bye guys.